Hello everybody, Cupcake Party Gaming here, and today we are back with another Animal Jam video, and yeah, so, I guess let's just do this. So, let's be Donald Trump, and go out to Jamal. I'm gonna pause until I get ready. Okay, so we're back, and, let's just say some stuff. And I got free chat, so I can say this. There goes the first one. If you guys just saw the Atari copy right there. Is anybody gonna react? Alright, let's say our next thing then. Alright. Once again, is anybody gonna react? And one more thing. I feel like this is gonna get blocked. Nope. Oh, wow. Wow. Animal Jam, let's see, says some messed up stuff. Okay, well, I guess that was kind of a fail. So, yeah. See you in a second. Okay, if you like this video, like it, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Bye!